Dear students, it is the fourth video for week 14. We are learning proposal report writing, and in this video we will learn about the proposal report format. Dear students, proposal reports are used for the various purposes, for research, for business, clear, and there are so many other types of the proposal reports. Thereby, according to the need and requirement or according to the situation, the proposal report sections can be changed or vary from the other sections. One thing we must remember in technical, business, or scientific report writing, that there is nothing fixed. Clear? We have to follow a convention. Sometimes some format, some organization starts a report from a different point, different section. Other format starts a report from the different point of view or section. Thereby, we should not worry. Rather than we should be able, whatever the subject matter is, we must be trained enough to deal that subject matter. Means, if I refer you towards the technical report writing, chapter 13, lesson week 13. Clear? That a technical and business writer must have the expertise on language, should know about the convention, must be trained in writing outlines, definitions, introductions, mechanisms, procedures, conclusions, and references. They are the basic things. Next thing is conventional format. All the organization, wherever we will work, they have their own set of, their own rules of the report writing or communication. We just need to follow them. So here is a simplest outline. Introduction of your project proposal, problem statement, that what is the problem, why this project is being designed. Purpose means scope, you can say, purpose of this, and scope and approach, that what is the scope. Scope is a very technical word. It is used for the utility. Scope number one is that how much your proposed solution has solved the problem. जो आपने solution दिया हुआ है वो किस हद तक मसले को हल कर रहा है. नंबर टू, बेनिफिट, उसकी यूटिलिटी क्या है, कि उसको what are the utilization of that, effectiveness. Clear? Impact, कि उसकी क्या effectiveness है, impact क्या है उसका, other than that और किसी सब्जेक्ट पर और लोगों पर और डिपार्टमेंट्स पे भी कोई इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है. The everything is called scope. An approach, fine. Review of the state of art. Clear? Review of the literature means that before you start a project, we first review about the already designed projects about that topic. कि हम उससे पहले जो कुछ उस फील्ड में हुआ या उस प्रोजेक्ट से मुतालिक हुआ, we document it, उसे पढ़ते हैं. Then we have the clear idea. Technical background, that what is the technical background of the company or the professionals. Project description, would divide the project into various sections, that हम उसके जो बड़े बड़े phases हैं उसको बयान करते हैं. Schedule of the work, clear, it is called management. Timeline, that in what will be in the first month and the second month and the third month, budget, the expenses, the division of expenses in labor and material, कि भाई लोगों जो लोग काम करेंगे ह्यूमन रिसोर्स को आप कितने पैसे देंगे, क्या उनकी कास्ट आएगी, और जो उस पर मटेरियल आएगा उसकी क्या कास्ट आएगी. What are the qualification of the human people, human experts, super engineers, developer, designers, जो भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनकी का what are their capabilities, plus that what is the capabilities of the company, कि company की क्या capabilities हैं, what milestone they have achieved so far, and finally conclusions. This is a simplest form of the proposal report, but remember that technical report writing have to be illustrated. इसमें diagrams होने चाहिए, इसमें formulas होने चाहिए, इसमें graphs होने चाहिए, इसके अंदर flow charts होने चाहिए, clear, to express something in better way. तो normally जो budget होता है that is expressed in tables, उसमें वो खर्चे लिखे जाते हैं, कॉस्ट लिखी जाती है, टाइप, क्वालिटी, क्लियर. ये जो शेड्यूल ऑफ द वर्क, दे आर मोस्टली द टेबल्स. फाइन. Project description, that is technical. For example, computer professionals, they have to design ERDs and DFDs and that. Mechanical engineers often use drawings and other things. So they are very strong communication techniques and they have to be part of the proposal report. Dear student, hope you have learned that what is the proposal report format. Here are some of the steps for the proposal writing. Step 1, they are common steps. Make great introductions. Mean write a very powerful introduction that gains the attention of the reader, and remember that the introductions are simple but powerful statements by which you start your discussion. We should not give lengthy discussions and we should avoid giving definitions and this and that. Identify the issue. That it is said that the once you have understood the problem, half of the issue is solved. जिस बंदे ने प्रॉब्लम को सही तौर पर आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया that what is the need of the client, he easily can diagnose the solution. Your research question should state, clear, keep it simple. If it is, for example, if it is a research proposal and if you have learned the research problem properly and have generated research questions well, you can easily do it. Step 3, give some context. Same thing is there. That give the background about the project, your understanding and approach about the project. State your goal, that what is the objective of this proposal. Do you want to attract some, आपका proposal लिखने से मकसद क्या है कि what you want to design something, you need funding or whatsoever. Step 5, explain the importance of this solution. Clear? कि आप जो बताते हैं कि भाई हम ये कर देंगे, what is the significance of that? And if you are doing a research, you want to do a project about the student management system, for example, student management system, so what new you are going to tell about आपके प्रोजेक्ट की क्या significance है? Describe the methods designing. Tell the method that how for which method you will apply. कि आप जो whatever the, for example, you are designing a software, tell your procedure and designing of the software कि आप कहाँ से, how would you start the work, what will your major tools and techniques, आप कैसे काम करेंगे और किन tools और techniques के जरिए काम करेंगे. Examine the literature. Step 7, this is very important, that before you start working on a project, it is highly important, highly recommended that make a review about the review about the people who have already worked on that. कि भाई उन लोगों से भी पूछ लें, उन लोगों को भी सुन लें, उन लोगों को भी पढ़ लें जिन्होंने इस पर काम किया हुआ है. In simple word we say examine the literature, make a specific hypothesis. These things are from the research point of view. कि आप फिर अपना एक point of view बनाएं and then describe your research assumptions to your reader. Clear? Define the scope and limitation of the project. Describe the procedure in detail. But they are I've told you that these are something plus minus. Technical proposal is something different and a research proposal is something different. Some points may be valid in technical proposal but may not be valid in research proposal, and some points may be valid in research proposal and may not be included or likely to be included in the clear. So they are the general guidelines. Fine. Well, the students move next. What are the characteristics of a good proposal report? Precision, precise, conciseness, that the writer must be clear about the aim and objective of that report. He must express the purpose. He should make proper research, analysis and suggestion. They all include precision of the words, के बड़े कॉम्पैक्ट मकसद का पता हो, प्रोसीजर का पता हो, बड़ी कॉम्पैक्ट जुबान हो, ठीक है, उसके अंदर बड़े लॉजिकल आइडियाज हो, ठीक है, डायग्राम्स हो, टाइपोग्राफी बड़ी जबरदस्त हो, हेडिंग्स बनी हुई हो. They all things are called precision, so that a person may not find, the reader may not be in challenge to grab or understand the basic information. Accuracy of facts. It is important that whatever you are telling, that should be factual. और स्पेशली प्रपोजल राइटिंग में बहुत जरूरी है कि आप जो कह रहे हैं कि हम ये डिजाइन करेंगे, हम ये बनाएंगे, इतनी देर में बनाएंगे, इतने लोग इस पर काम करेंगे, ये इस क्वालिटी का होगा, इसकी ये प्राइस होगी. Once you have stated it, they should be accurate. Secondly, if you have forgotten and another person have accepted and contract is there, then you have to pay. आपने एक चीज का रेट कम लगाया and the other person agreed, आपको वो कम रेट में काम करना पड़ेगा. Accuracy of facts. There should not be any ambiguity. Relevancy. The information you are presenting must be correct and relevant to the point. कि भैया आप किसी भी जगह पर कोई irrelevant, unnecessary बात नहीं करेंगे. And reader orientation. That a good proposal is written keeping in mind your reader. भैया आपने एक बंदे से बिजनेस लेना है, क्लाइंट है आप, is sitting in America and you want that application. You should keep in mind the client and his requirement, not your own. आप अपने आप को नहीं रखेंगे, उससे सामने रखेंगे. Then you can write. Simple language. The language of the proposal must be professional, simple. Do not write the over complicated terms. Clear. And be direct, be simple. Conciseness. Clear. The format, structure, words should be very exact words, grammatical accuracy, unbiased recommendations. Okay, whenever you are recommending something, you should not be say with greed or apprehension or something. मिसाल के तौर पर आप कोई रिकमेंडेशन दे रहे हैं कि ये काम नहीं होना चाहिए, तो अब आप ये ना डरें कि if I said this your client will be resented या ये काम technically नहीं हो सकता, और if the client forces us to do it, it will be not fruitful, or rather it may be illegal. Then give unbiased recommendations. Clarity. The proper arrangement of the fact is necessary for clarity. A good report is unmistakable. The reporter should state his or her purpose, define his or her sources, findings, and every necessary recommendation. Clarity honi chahiye. Every part must be clear in terms of facts and others. Attractive presentation. उसका टाइटल पेज अच्छा बना होना चाहिए, टाइपोग्राफी बड़ी जबरदस्त हो, alignment good हो, and for that we have to keep in mind the convention of report writing that a company is following. Clear? And the students, I hope you have learned this, and in the next video we will talk about the proposal evaluation.